Hey, we're back at Legoland, guys. Hey, this is a nice picture opportunity, guys. Give me some big smiles. Come on now. I want to see some big smiles, guys. I don't see any smiles. Are you sure? Yeah. Here we are back at Legoland. Yee! Say cheese. Where's Lara? Let's get Lara out. Yay! There's baby Lara in the sun. Scorching in the sun, guys, at Legoland. Say cheese. Yee! Let's go and get on the Legoland train now, guys. There's the train.
We need to go.
Another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can't help the way I feel for you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Sitting there by the phone, hoping you'll answer yours. Baby, let's talk until we're fine. You've been in bed for days, empty without me, you say. Can't you just magically turn up in mine? Then you knock on my door on the same.
We are in Windsor, chillaxing, maxing, aren't we, guys? Wow, check it out, nice. Hi, Lara.
She's like, don't hold me, don't hold me. She wants to touch it. We will bite you, by the way. They will. They will bite your little finger.
Mommy wants to eat her! Mommy wants to eat her! It's going to nibble!
Hi, guys. Where are we? Lauren, where are we today?
In a bed.
In a boat. In which city is that? Windsor. And which part of England, Lara? That's right. Look, that's where the captain is. Guys, look, do you see it, Azad? Hi.
Should we do that? Should we get one of those boats? Europe its 16 faces representative of the young people of today.
Wow, check this one out. This is a good one. Look, it's just themselves. That's fun. Hey, that's a nice one. Look at that. Football area. Hey, check that house out. That's a nice one, isn't it? Azza? Look. Told you. That's a nice one too. Look at that. That's a cool one. Isn't it? The houses. Yeah, the boats too. But the houses are nice. Because you can step off, get into your boat, and then get onto the river.
Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekend.
Guys, we're near the castle. Look. Can you guys see the castle? Okej, dla Kurdistan başvurun. Fatih. Oh look, they're all standing there. Whoa, what is that? Try that in there. Lara, do you like them? Hey, Lara, who are those? Hi guys, we're having lollies.